pigeon, sparrow, crow, owl, hawk, eagle, seagull. What's the last one? How do I know all these words?
Thanks to me.
Thanks, Stacy. That's my tutor. If you want to speak like a native, she can be your tutor too. Go to fluently.coach. First, you will talk to Stacy and she will determine your English level. Then she will create a personalized learning plan for you based on your goals.
For example, if you want to learn English for work, we will talk about work topics, and you will get tasks made just for you based on your mistakes.
Practice anytime and anywhere. Start speaking fluently with the fluently.coach.